Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 8th lesson for chapter number 3, exercise 3C. That is about the multiplication law of probabilities and independent events. And in this class, students will be learning and discussing how to identify the cases of conditional probability and what is conditional probability. So please watch and understand this lesson carefully and don't miss any part of the lesson, because if you are missing any part of the lesson, you will not be understanding this lesson, and this is one of the most important concepts of your O-level examination. So please watch and understand these all lessons properly. In this class, students, we will be learning and discussing question number 10. Question 10 says, a woman goes to the supermarket once a month for the grocery shopping. The probability that she buys the sack of rice is 4 by 9. The probability that she buys the sack of rice is 4 by 9. She will not buy the sack of rice in the particular month. She will not buy. The probability is given for the woman if she buys the sack of rice, and we have to find the probability of not buying the sack of rice in the particular month. She will not buy the sack of rice in two particular consecutive months. Not buy the sack of rice in two particular months, and she buys the sack of rice in just one of the two particular months. So let's try to discuss the question and solve the question. That it's given that probability that she buys the sack of rice is 4 by 9. It's given in the question, 4 by 9. And what we have to do is we have to find that first part is that she will not buy. Probability she will not buy, she does not buy, she does not buy the sack of rice Now try to understand that if she buys the sack of rice, the chances are 4 by 9. If she does not buy, here we are going to make the use of complementary event, 1 minus the probability of she buys the sack of rice. So what are the chances? 1 minus 4 by 9. This is we have to take the LCM here. 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 by 9. So the probability she does not buy the sack of rice is 5 by 9. Some of the probabilities have to be 1 when we are adding 5 plus 4. That she buys the sack of rice or she does not buy the sack of rice, that is 9 by 9, 1. So it means our working is correct. And the second part says she will not buy the sack of rice in two particular consecutive months. She will not buy the sack of rice in two particular consecutive months. So for this part, it means that she does not buy the sack of rice in first month and in the second month. So for that purpose, she will not buy sack of rice in two particular months, in two consecutive months. So for that purpose, students, what we are going to do is that we have to multiply the probability of not buying in the first month 5 by 9 and not buying in the second month, which is equal to 25 by 81. Okay, third part says that she buys the sack of rice in just one of the two particular months. Now try to understand this in this way, that there is no restriction that she buys the sack of rice in first month or in the second month. So the chances can be that probability that she buys a sack of rice in just one of two particular months. Is that probability buys and not buys plus probability of not buys and buys. There is no restriction, she is buying the probability in the first month or in the second month. So if she buys in the first month, chances are 4 by 9, not buying is 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9 multiplied by not buying is 5 by 9 multiplied by 4 by 9, and this will become 20 by 81 plus 20 by 81, and this will give me, I have to take the LCM. Calculation part is yours, you can perform the calculation according to your choice, but for me it is easy, and I always advise it to my students that as we need to give the answers of probability in the most simplified form, so you better have to try to take the denominator same, 20 plus 20, which is equal to 40 by 9 9s is 81, 9 9s is 81, 40 by 81. So I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question. Question 11 says, the table below shows the number of male and female employees working in the front office, middle office and the back office of an investment bank. Okay, this is the department, and this is a gender, male and female. Front office, in the front office males are 40 and the females are 36. In the middle office the males are 55 and females are 35. Back office 38 and 52. 3 representatives from each department are selected at random to attend the seminar. What is the probability that 3 representatives are to be selected, one from each department? Okay, all 3 representatives are female. All 3 representatives are female. The representative from the front office is male while the others are female. Exactly one of the representative is a male. Okay, let's try to understand the question that we have to choose, we have to select how many representatives. We have to select 3 representatives from each department. Okay, then what we have to do in the first part, we have to select all 3 representatives which are females. It means the females from the front office, females from the middle office and females from the back office. So as we know that formula for the probability is that probability of any event equals to what? Favorable chances upon total chances. So what we are going to do is, here we are going to find the totals for front office, middle office and the back office. 6 and this is 76, 55 plus 35, 55 plus 35, and this gives me 90. 8 and 2 10, 5 and 3 8 and 1 9. Let me confirm this. 38 plus 52, this is 90. Let's move to the discussion of first part, that all three representatives are female. All three representatives are female. All three representatives are female. What do we understand from this? That we have to select the female from the front office, from the middle office, and from the back office. So it means that probability of female multiplied by female multiplied by female. And now if you look at the data given from the front office, the choices of the female are 36 by the total 76, multiplied by middle office is 35 by 90, and the back office 52 by 90. Now it's up to you that how you perform the calculation and simplifications, as these are the big calculations. So first I will be going with pencil, 2 18 times and 2 38 times, and then 5 7 times, and 5 18 times, and 2 26 times, and 2 45 times, 2 45 times. And now this 18 can simply go with this 18, and then we are left with 26 2 13 times and 2 19 times, and we are left with 13 multiplied by 7, or 7 multiplied by 13 divided by 19 multiplied by 45. 13 sevens is 91, and 19 multiplied by 45, this gives me 855. I hope you are really clear about this part. And let's move to the second part. The second part says the representative from the first office is a male while others are female. The restriction is the representative probability that the representative from the front office is male while others are female. So what do we understand from this part is that we have to find the probability that the male from the front office and female from the middle and female from the back office. Now the choices of male from the front office, they are 40 by 76. Female from the middle office 35 by 90, multiplied by what? Female from the back office, that is 52 by 90. Question is involving large calculations, so we have to first do the calculations with pencil. Okay, this is 220 times, and 2 3s are, and 2 8s are, and 5 7s are, and 5 18 times are, and this calculation we already have done, 226 times and 245 times. Now which tables can go easily? that two 10s are and two 19s are, okay, and then again 7 and 18 cannot go, two 13s are and two 9s are, and then two 5s are and 5 two times, 5 2 times and 5 9 times is suitable. So the product that I'm getting is 13 multiplied by 7, 13 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 divided by 19 multiplied by 81. This is 1539. So we are left with, I hope my calculation is visible, this is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 upon 19 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9, and this gives me 7, 13 7s are 91, 13 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2, 182 by what? 19 multiplied by 81, this is 1539. I hope you are clear about this part. And the restriction imposed here was, or the condition was, that we have to select the male from the front office and the females from the other two offices. And the last part is that representative from the exactly one of the representative is a male. Exactly one of the representative is a male. One representative is a male. Now try to understand this question, that what do we mean by what is the condition imposed, what is the restriction that one of the representative is a male. So that means that either male from the front office, male from the front office, and rest two have to be females, or the middle office, from the middle office we can select the male, and from the front and the back office female. And or what we can do is that we have to select the male from the back office, and from first two offices we have to select the females. So first let me write down all of the choices, that probability of male and female plus probability of what? Female, then middle office is male, and then probability of female from the first, female from the second, and male from the third. Now we have to write down the choices, that if I'm picking up male from the front office, then how many chances? 40 by 76. Female from the middle office, that is 35 by 90. And female from the last office multiplied by 52 by 90. Coming to female from the front office, female from the front office has the chances 36 by 76. Then male from the middle office 55 by 90. Then female from the last office, female from the last office, that is 52 by 90. Okay, such a large calculation. And then what we have to do is that female from the front office, that is 36 by 76, 36 by 76. And then female again from the middle office, 35 by 90, 35 by 90 multiplied by the male from the last office, 38 by 90, 38 by 90. Let me confirm the data once again. Male from the front office, male from the front office has the chances 40 by 76. Then female from the middle, female 35, and female from the rear office. Then we have to pick up female from the front office, 36 by 76. Then male has to be picked up 55 by 90 and 52 by 90. And then for the last office we should have female first, 36 by 76, 35 by 90 and 38 by 90. Now it's the time to go for the simplifications, and for the simplification purpose in the beginning I will be trying to go with pencil. It's a big and large calculation. Okay, so what we can do is if I'm trying to keep the denominator same, and then I will be simplifying, because otherwise I have to take the LCM and the numbers will become quite large. Okay, so this will be, first let me multiply the denominators. This is 90 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 76. This is 600, and now 40 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 52. This is 72,800 plus. As if we look at all of the denominators, they are same, so I'm not struggling for denominator. Let me reassure this: 90 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 76. This is 615 and 600. Yes, 615,600. Now I have to multiply 36 by 55 by 52, and this gives me 102,960 plus. This is again 615,600. 36, 35, 38. 36 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 38, and this is 47880. Okay, let's reconfirm the data. It's really important for such large calculations. 40 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 52, and this gives me 72 with 800. 36 multiplied by 52 multiplied by 55, this gives me 102, and then 36 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 38, and this gives me 47880. And once again let's check the denominator: 76 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 90, and this gives me 615,600. Now is the time to take LCM. All the fractions have the same denominator, so 615 600, and then 72,800 plus 102,960 and plus 47,880. Let me add up these all numbers carefully. 72,800 plus 102,960 plus 47 and 880. This gives me 223,640 upon 615,600. Now it's the time to go for the simplification. If I'm dividing this number by 2, I'm getting the number. Let me write first the value in pencil: 111,820, and at the same time 615 and 600 divided by 2, and this gives me 307,800. Again I have to divide this number by 2. This becomes 153,900, and then the numerator 111,820 divided by 2. This is 55910, and now I will be going for the cancellation of 0 with 0, and I will have 5,591 upon 15390. Okay, I hope now the question, although the question was involving large calculations, so you can see that in the beginning we have to perform the calculations with pencil, so that if there is any problem with the working with the calculation, we can correct it. So you can see that this question was having different restrictions. That in the beginning the restriction or the condition imposed was that all three representatives are females, and the second part, that the representative that we have to pick up from the front office has to be male. This is the condition imposed. This is the restriction. That's why these questions, this concept is called the conditional probability. I hope you are really clear about today's class. Please watch and understand these all questions properly. For better understanding of next lesson, please watch my lessons. Like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.